The city of North Little Rock is warning people ahead of time about its new tornado warning sirens.
This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
North Little Rock Mayor Joe Smith announced today that all 16 of the city's tornado sirens are now up and running. The updates, which cost roughly $480,000, replaced a 50-year-old system. The new sirens not only sound different, but as you just heard, they also come with that voice monologue alerting people of severe weather or to possibly evacuate. The first test of all 16 sirens will be held tomorrow at noon.